Hello students, welcome to our EVS session, lesson 2, My Body. You can see it in the textbook pages 93 to 97. What is our body, children? The body is divided into three parts. The first one is, I am writing here, the first one is external parts. External parts. Then next one is internal parts. Internal parts. And the third one is our sense organs. Sense organs. Our body consists many parts. That is a machine type, isn't it? Our body has many parts. First one is external parts, second one is internal parts, and third one is sense organs. Today we are discuss about external parts, isn't it? See the textbook page, children, page number 93. In this lesson we have a introduction. Sir, the page number 93. Identify the body parts and color them. The first picture is ear. What is that picture, children? Ear. How many ears do you have? How many ears do you have? I have 2 ears. I have 2 ears. Then what is the next picture? The next picture is foot. Foot. How many feet you have? 2 feet. Children, 1 foot, 2 feet. Okay. What do we do with our feet, children? We can walk, jump, run, dance, play. Okay. Then, what is the next picture? The next picture is our arm. Arm. How many arms do we have? We have 2 arms. Once again, we have ears. 2 ears. We have 2 ears, 2 feet, and 2 arms. Before the lesson explanation, you do this activity, children. What is that? Color this ear, foot, and arm. What are there in the arm, children? Fingers are there. 1 thumb and 4 fingers. We have 4 fingers. Totally, we have 2 thumbs and 8 fingers. Totally, we will say 10 fingers in our arm. Isn't it? Then the foot, we have toes. Isn't it? Ear. What do we do with our ear? We can listen the music. Isn't it? We can listen, hearing. Next one is foot. We can walk, jump, then dance, play. The next arm. What do we do with our arms? Pick the things, eat, write. Many things we can do with our arm. Now we understood, children, just we explain the external parts of the body. What do we say? External parts of the body. Can you say, children, more external parts of your body? Your head, then eyes, ears, nose, then mouth, then next hands, legs. Okay, these are external parts of our body. Now we will explain, children. Go to the textbook page 93. Textbook page 93. Here showing two bodies, children. One is external body and one is internal parts of our body. One boy is showing external parts and another's his internal parts. Okay. Again we'll go to the textbook. Human body is like a big machine. Many works is there in our body. Many works are there in our body. Then like a machine, it works with the help of its different parts. Many parts are there in our body. External parts and internal parts. External parts and internal parts. Okay. What are the external parts? Legs, hands, nose, then mouth, eyes, many are there, etc. Then, can you say the internal parts of our body? That is, then lungs, brain, then heart, etc. Many are there. Now, third one is sense organs. Sense organs. What are the sense organs we have, children? How many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. What are they? You learned already in the first class, children. What are the 5 sense organs we have? Ears, nose, eyes, then tongue and skin. These are the 5 sense organs we have. Isn't it, children? How many sense organs? 5. What are they? Ears, nose, eyes, tongue and skin. Now we will discuss only the external parts. What are the external parts? Legs, hands, nose, mouth. Okay. Our body works like a machine. Our body works like a machine. Okay. Then different parts of our body perform different functions. These parts are 2 types. What are external parts and internal parts? Next we go to the page number 94. We will discuss the external parts of our body. The body parts which we can see are called external parts of our body. Once you see, children, what are the parts we can see? See, head. You can see. Eyes, you can see. Ears, you can see. Mouth, neck, hands, 2 hands. Legs, you can see, no. These are the external parts of the body. What are they? Head, neck, ears, eyes, nose, mouth, hands, 2 hands, 2 legs, feet. These are the external parts of our body. Understood, children? Then we will see. We have a head, a neck, 2 hands and 2 legs. I shown already on the chart. Okay, children. How many legs do you have? We have 2 legs. How many hands do you have? We have 2 hands. How many eyes do you have? 2. How many ears? 2. Then how many nose do you have? I have 1 nose and 1 mouth. Yes. These are the external parts of our body. Understood, children? I showed already external parts of our body. Okay. One thing children, you know, our nose and ears grow throughout our life, and even nails and hair also. Actually that is not a part of our body. These two are part of our body. So our ears and nose will grow throughout our life. Small, not just a minute growth. Okay, not a big growth. Children, okay. Our head consists of 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 nose and a mouth. This part we will say the head. Once again children, come there. This whole part we will say the head. These two part we will say the head. This part we will call the head. What are there in the head? The head consists forehead, head, hair, then ears, eyes, then nose, lips, mouth, chin, cheeks, forehead, then eyes, eyebrows, such. What are the things, what are the parts are there in the head children? What are the things are there on the head? Hair, forehead, eyebrows, cheek, nose, eyes, ears, mouth, lips, chin. And this is neck. These are the things are there on the head. Okay. Our head rests on the neck. See our neck. Our head rests on the neck. This part we will call the neck. This part we will call the neck. Where does it fit our head? On the neck. On the neck. Okay. Then our mouth has 2 lips and a tongue. Our mouth has 2 lips and a tongue. See our mouth children, the picture of the mouth. Once you see children, mouth. Our mouth has, what are there in our mouth? Lips, tongue and teeth. Our mouth consists lips, tongue and teeth. Okay children? Yeah. Then next, we have 2 hands. We have 2 hands. See the picture children, 2 hands. We have 2 hands. What are the parts of our hands? Fingers and thumb. We have 2 hands, fingers and thumb. How many hands we have children? 2. 2 hands we have, and how many fingers on a hand? 4 fingers and a thumb. Send it. Then what can we do with our hands children? We can do with our writing, then pick the things, eating. Okay, we will use the hands. Then the mouth, what can we do with children? With our mouth, what we do with our mouth? We are eating, drinking and talking also. We will use these three things for talking. Send it. Then we can taste our food with our tongue. We can taste our food with our tongue. Then we can chew our food with our teeth. We can chew our food with our teeth. Lips, we are helping to talking. Lips are helping to talking. Okay children. Then next, we have two legs. We have two legs. See the picture, children. Legs. How many legs we have? We have two legs. On the legs, what are there? Toes are there. What are there? Toes. How many toes we have? We have 10 toes on two legs. One leg has 5 toes and two legs have 10 toes. Cindy, children, what are the use of legs? We can walk, then walk, run, jump, so and so. Cindy, we can walk with our legs, we can run with our legs, we can jump with our legs, and we can play whatever with our legs. In our legs, we have 10 toes. 10 toes. Cindy, children, did you see the picture of the legs? Then we'll go to the chart. What are the parts on the leg? Here, this part we will call full leg. 2 legs are there. 2 legs. On the legs, this is the thigh. This part we will call the thigh. How many thighs we have? We have 2 thighs. We have 2 thighs. The next, this part we will call the knee. What do we call? Knee. How many knees are there? 2 knees. How many? 2. 2 knees are there. Then this will the leg part of the, is called the calf, children. 2 calves. This part will call the calf, leg. Then this part will call the ankle. See, here also one angle and this part also ankle. How many angles do we have? We have 2 angles. Then next, this will say the foot. 1 foot, 2 feet. 2 feet. 2 feet. Then these are toes. These are toes. How many toes we have? On this a foot, 5 toes, and another one has 5 toes. So 10 toes. Understood, children? Then these are the external parts of our body. Once again we'll discuss, children. Head, hands, neck, ears, nose, eyes, the next mouth. Again, hands, legs. These are the main external parts of our body. Okay. Now, how many ears do we have, children? We have 2 ears. What do we do with our ears? We can hear the things and listen the music also. Then what do we can do with our legs? We can walk, run, jump, play, many things we can do with our legs. Then next, hands. What do we do with our hands? We can pick the things and write, eat, many things we can do with our hands. Then next, external parts of our body and internal parts of our body and sense organs. This is the class about the external parts of our body, children. And read the lesson. Children, now we complete explained 93, 94 pages. You read well, children. Lesson number 2, my body. Read, children. Thank you.